Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Hello, boys and girls. Santa here from a North Pole workshop. Today, I have something very exciting to share. Ninja Kidz Toys. These action-packed heroes are ready for adventure. Just look at them. 4 brave ninjas in red, blue, green, and black, ready to flip, kick, and save the day. Each one comes with their own style, moves, and of course, ninja attitude. This is the Red Ninja, strong, bold, and always ready to lead the way. The Green Ninja, stealthy and calm, like a pine tree standing strong in the winter. And finally, the Black Ninja, mysterious, powerful, and always ready for action. Together, they make an unstoppable team. You can create your very own adventures right at home. Just imagine the epic battles, secret missions, and heroic victories. Ho, ho, ho. These Ninja Kidz toys are perfect for Christmas stockings, gifts under the tree, or just a little surprise from Santa's sack of joy. So remember, boys and girls, keep training, stay strong, and always use your ninja powers for good. Until next time, this is Santa Claus wishing you a Merry Christmas and happy adventures. Ho, ho, ho. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.